Welcome to UltraShip in a Flash. In this video, we'll show you how to send an invite and onboard a new shipper in just a few clicks. First, head to CRM and find your shipper prospect. Click on the PRID and you'll land on the Prospect Details page. Now, click Invite Shipper in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear where you'll need to enter a few key details. First, select the shipper packet for onboarding. Shipper's name and email will be auto-populated, but you can edit the email address if required. You can also add multiple emails by clicking on the CC option. Next, click Preview to review the email. And if you want to customize it, click on Edit to tweak the subject and content. Once you're ready, click Send Invitation. The shipper will receive an email with a link to the onboarding form. As soon as the shipper completes the form and clicks Submit, their details are automatically uploaded to UltraShip, and their status updates to In Review. That's it. Your shipper is now onboarded and ready for review.